We're raffling off 8 ounces of crystal. There's 4 packages.
That's crystal meth.
I love my coffee, but today we're brewing some beer.
I'm James Bowen, the president of the Rockwall Brewers Association, and we're out here at our big brew day for American Home Brewers Association. We're brewing up a 15-gallon batch of Belgian triple and just having a good time drinking good beer. To find out more about Rockwall Brewers Association, check out rockwallbrewers.com or look us up on Facebook. Benefits include discounts at homebrew headquarters, local breweries like Wood Creek, Hemisphere, Bankhead, discounts at AB Beer, and txbrewing.com. Oh yeah, and you get to hang out and try good beer and learn to brew better beer. That's what it's really all about, is brewing good beer.
Wow, I don't know about you guys, but after watching that film, I'm pretty thirsty myself. Hey, my name is Kostas. I'm actually the owner and head chef of Old Greek Taverna. If it's your first time to this channel, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. If you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, go over to YouTube and type in Old Greek Taverna and hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to us, so we're trying to grow our channel. James, you're killing it, my man, the president of the Rockwall Homebrewers Association. If you're into craft beer or ever wanting to brew some beer yourself, definitely check out this organization. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. They're doing amazing things, just a great group of guys with a lot of camaraderie and just a wealth of knowledge. The Rockwall Homebrewers Association is probably one of the best homebrew organizations in the state of Texas and has produced multiple professional brewing companies. They're on the national level for homebrewing championships, a lot of golds and silvers and bronze at a lot of the local competitions. Thanks again so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next vlog.